Have you ever heard of a government going to court to stop a family from burying their loved one? That's exactly what's happening right now in Zambia, and the whole continent is watching. On 24th June 2025, the Zambian government, led by Attorney General Mulilo Kabesha, made international headlines by filing an urgent lawsuit against the family of the late President Edgar Lungu. The twist? The legal battle isn't about politics or corruption. It's about where Zambia's former leader should be laid to rest. According to AP News, the case was filed in the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria, South Africa, in a last-minute attempt to stop the burial of Edgar Lungu in Johannesburg. AP News. Let's break down what's at stake. Edgar Lungu, Zambia's sixth president, passed away in June 2025. Instead of a state funeral in Lusaka, as required by Zambian law, his family decided to bury him privately in South Africa. This decision ignited a dramatic showdown between the state and the Lungu family, thrusting questions of national honor, family rights, and the rule of law into the spotlight. The government's position is clear. Under Zambian law, former presidents must be given a full state funeral and buried with military honors at Embassy Park in Lusaka. According to the Attorney General, this is not just tradition. It's a legal requirement, ensuring that national heroes are honored on home soil, and their legacy remains part of the Zambian story. The lawsuit names Lungu's widow, Esther Lungu, his children, their lawyer, Makabi Zulu, and even the South African funeral home. The state argues that personal wishes should never override the national interest when it comes to laying a president to rest, as reported by AP News 24th June 2025. But why did the family choose South Africa? According to various sources cited by BBC and local Zambian media, the decision stems from deep divisions and mistrust. The Lungu family claims they fear further political tension, public unrest, and even possible disrespect to their late father if the burial happens in Zambia. They've also cited ongoing investigations and political hostilities that, in their view, make a state funeral at home impossible. This is where the story gets even more complicated. As cited in Al Jazeera and the UK Guardian, the government insists that the law must be respected, no matter the family's concerns. They argue that Edgar Lungu's legacy belongs to the nation, not just to his relatives, and that allowing a private burial abroad would set a dangerous precedent for all future leaders. The Attorney General's office has asked the South African High Court to intervene urgently, with a hearing scheduled for today, 25th June 2025. Meanwhile, Zambians at home and abroad are sharply divided. On social media, some argue the government should show compassion and let the family grieve in peace. Others say the law is the law, and Lungu must be laid to rest in Zambia as a matter of national pride. As of today, the court's decision is still pending, leaving both the family and the nation in limbo. But whatever the outcome, this extraordinary legal battle raises important questions. Who has the final say over a leader's legacy? Should family wishes override state law? And what does this saga mean for the future of presidential honors in Africa? Let's hear your thoughts. If you were in charge, would you respect the wishes of the family or uphold the law at all costs? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'm eager to read your opinions. If you found this story insightful, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into Africa's most dramatic headlines. And don't forget to like, share, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of history in the making.